Peekaboo. All right, well, my father-in-law, he dropped me off some food, some meat to cook. He got me a whole spare rib right here, also baby back ribs, and 2 whole chickens. So I'm gonna be doing a cook tomorrow for them, for my in-laws. So I'm gonna prepare the food the day before, get it ready. I'll probably do some chicken halves on this one right here. The other whole chicken, and maybe just leave it whole, maybe spatchcock it, but trim up this whole spare ribs. And then the baby backs, trim them up, remove the membrane. Yeah, so it's gonna be good. It's gonna be awesome. So let's see how I prepare it. Here are the whole 2 chickens, baby back, and the whole spare ribs. Yeah. Look at that. 6 pounds. Close to 6. Or 6. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna start with the whole chicken. Let's split this chicken in half. And just like that, right down the middle. Yeah. And then for the other side. Just like that. Easy to do. Kitchen shears, yeah. Clean it up a little bit. What it looks like. And then right down the middle again. Yep. There you have it. I'm gonna go ahead and start trimming off some loose skin and some fat. Make it more presentable. Look at all this right here. I'm not trimming too much of it, but yeah, some fat. Yep. Looks good to me on that one. This one, let's get that off. Got that right here. Look at all that fat. Let's go ahead and get some of that off. Yeah. Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna do the other whole chicken just like this. All right, let's Get it right down the middle. Alright, there it is. The other chicken. So same as the other one. Like this skin, loose skin. So just kind of go with it like that. Yeah. Look at it right here. They have that loose, so I'm going to trim off some of it, not all of it. Let's check this one out. That looks good right there. I'm going to trim off some of this fat right here. Just a little bit. Make it look presentable. Huh? There you have it. Let's eat it. Alright, let's move on to the whole spare ribs. And doesn't that look beautiful? Yes, sir. Alright, so gonna be doing some trimming. Just take a look at stuff like this. You know, this needs to go. I mean, just look at that. So I'll be hitting it probably around right here. Cutting all that off right there. But yeah, let's get to work. You see that right there? You want to get that off. That's going to do you no good. Now I'm going to trim some of this off right here. Actually, let's get it like that. There it is. Some of that right there. Trim off a little more if we want. Get more of this flap right here, meat. Let's get all that off right there. Let's get it all off. Just like that. You want it as flat as it can be. How's it looking so far? Good or bad? Let me know. Alright. So this here, I don't want this at all. Now you can keep it on there if you want, but I'm gonna get rid of it. I'm gonna find the bone right here. So let's see how this turns out right here first. Cut into this one, and then we'll go from there. Yeah. But you could also still cook this separate. Nothing wrong with that. Hold on to it, cook it separate. Yeah, see, looking a little better now. Better presentation. Alright, the final thing is going to be remove the membrane. Removing that is going to help when it comes to smoking, with the smoke to help penetrate the meat. Also helps too when you're slicing into it after it's done. Alright, so the whole thing is getting either your knife or a butter knife. Just kind of get it in. And then get your paper towel to help. Keep grabbing it some more. Keep pulling back on it. Just like that. It's gone. Okay. So this one's done. Time to move on to the baby back ribs, and gonna do the same thing. All right, baby back rib. Now these ribs, I mean, not too much to be done on here, trimming wise. Let's get this off. Yeah. I'm gonna probably get this part off here. Yeah, I'm gonna get it sliced into it about right here. Yeah, see, look at that. Get that piece off. And just like the spare ribs, let's get it in there. Just like that. Bam. Yep. Yeah, so these are done. Ready to go. Well, that was it. The prepping of the food. Can't wait. It's going to go on the smoker tomorrow morning. So I will be filming that, and you will get to see that after this video. So, you know, come back and see how that cook goes. It's going to be awesome. It's going to be a great day cooking for my family. So come back, check it out. Hey, as always, folks, thank you for stopping by. And smoke on, everyone.